Okay, let's start with Ielts speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions and you can answer comfortably in 5-6 sentences. Take speaking part 1 as a friendly chat with the examiner and speak in a chatting style that you are enjoying this talk and you are answering frankly like that. Okay, how often do you wear jewelry?
I love wearing jewelry very much. I like to wear necklace, rings. I have a different collection of rings as well. That's my hobby, to collect different type of jewelries, antique. I mostly like to wear jewelry made of gold, but nowadays as gold is expensive, so I wear artificial jewelry as well.
All right, so to answer your question,
Then
I love wearing
wearing
jewelry
jewelry
every
very
time,
much,
something
every
like that,
time. Okay, sir.
or whenever I go outside, okay? Because the question is how often do you wear jewelry?
jewelry.
So at the end, this should be conclusion.
Okay, sir.
Let's go on. Now, you've already answered my second question, but now try to answer it differently.
Okay, sir.
What type of jewelry do you like? And answer using signpost language. First of all, I love necklaces. Explain in 1 to 2 sentences. Secondly, I also like. And finally, and then closing of your answer. So, what type of jewelry do you like?
First of all, I like to wear necklaces very much because they are very suitable on me. I like to wear necklaces.
It look good on me.
It look good on me. They look good on me. I love to wear necklaces made up of pearls, and I like to have a different collection of necklaces. Secondly, I also wear bracelets as well and rings as well. I love to have different types of pearls in that, like opal and different
All
types.
right. So try to make compound sentences
sir.
and try to, like, bracelet as well, rings as well, bracelets and
And
rings.
rings.
That's better. Okay, let's go on. Why do you think some people wear jewelry for a long time?
I think people wear jewelry for a long time because it has been gifted to them from their family members and their loved ones. So they like to wear the jewelries for a long time because they have a special association with them. Because people wear engagement rings for their whole life. So to answer your question, these are the few reasons because of
Alright.
which people
So do
like
people
to wear.
still wear engagement rings after marriage?
Yes,
No?
sir.
Okay.
Yes,
All
sir.
right.
Yes.
Good. So it's good. Just try to connect your ideas together and
Okay,
mainly
sir.
focus compound sentences and
sentences.
avoid repetition.
Okay, sir.
Now let's go on. It's your turn. What makes you feel happy?
Firstly, shopping makes me happy. Secondly, reading.
Now elaborate a little. Firstly, shopping makes me happy. Whenever I go for shopping, I feel excited. Secondly, now talk about second thing. So please answer again. What makes you happy?
Firstly, shoppings make me happy.
Shopping, singular.
Shopping make me happy.
Makes me.
Makes me
I'm sorry.
happy.
Okay, yeah.
I'm a little bit confused.
Don't
now.
worry. Don't, me too.
Shopping makes me happy because whenever I go to markets, I really feel very excited to buying new things, especially clothes.
Okay.
Secondly, I'm feeling very happy whenever
feel very happy.
I feel very happy when I go to the library and read some research articles, etc.
All right. So feel happy. Like one time you can say feel happy. Second, I feel great. I feel excited.
Excited.
I am delighted. I am happy. I'm over the moon with joy. Right? I enjoy myself. Something like that. Okay, let's go on. What made you feel happy in your childhood?
Lots of candy.
Candies.
Lots of candies makes me happy. And secondly, going to the park.
Now this is past tense. What made you happy in your childhood? Made me happy.
Okay, candies made me happy more than going to the park or and going to the with the parents to the some kind of zoo or other excited or like
Okay. See, your answer is not properly organized and sentence structure is not proper. So you need to focus there. For example, what made you happy when you were a child? When I was small, candies always made me happy. And I still remember my father used to buy me candies every evening.
Okay.
Secondly, going to the zoo made me happy quite a lot because I loved to see the monkey when I was small. So these type of things gave me immense pleasure in my childhood. That's it. Okay, just try to go on like this. At the end, conclusion, and examiner will be very happy. And then after 10 working days, you will also be very happy when you get your result. Okay,
Inshallah.
thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.